Kanye and Adidas have been releasing Yeezys after Yeezy after Yeezy after Yeezy. Just recently, they came out with the Yeezy 700
Inertia.
And then right after this, we're expected to see 3 new Yeezy 350 Boost V2s, all of which are very different per region.
Yeah.
So you have the True Form, you have Hyperspace,
and Clay.
And you have Clay.
Yeah.
Today is a special unboxing. I'm with Colin, of course, of Hype Geeks. Watch out for his vlog coming really, really soon.
What's up?
Guys, welcome to the vlog. This is a special early unboxing of the Adidas Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Hyperspace. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. Why? Because we are giving away a brand new Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. Yep. So if you've been watching this channel for a while now and you haven't subscribed yet, mahiya naman kayo. Seriously. Subscribe now. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and then click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Go!
So we'd like to thank Soul Academy for giving us the opportunity to do an early unboxing of the 350 V2 in Hyperspace.
Yeah, so to those who don't know, Soul Academy is a specialty sneaker and lifestyle store, multi-brand. So they carry multiple brands such as Adidas, Reebok, Puma, Nike, Asics. So they carry a lot of brands and they have multiple branches. I will put a link down below to their Instagram account. Check them out. So let's get to the unboxing. So what I'll do is I'll talk about, I'll do the unboxing first and then I'll pass over the shoe to Colin who will give his first impressions. I haven't seen this yet. You haven't seen this yet, right?
Yeah,
so this is the first time we'll be seeing the shoe in person. So I'll do the unboxing, Colin will take a look, and then I'll share my input as well. So guys, as you guys can see, this is the 350 carton box, your typical Yeezy box, color brown with 350 here at the top. If you take a look at the side, you have the details. This isn't my size.
It's not my size as well.
It's not your size as well. It's actually a pull-out size that they lent to us just to unbox early.
Yeah.
So, but hopefully I'll be able to win. I don't know if they're doing a raffle or whatnot, or if it's online. I don't know what the mechanics are, but I'll hopefully get the chance to be able to cop a pair. The SRP is 11,495 pesos. To those who are wondering, that's a little over $220 US. So Yeezys here in the Philippines are actually a bit cheaper compared to a lot of other Asian countries.
That is very true.
Right? So we were in Taiwan, we were in Japan.
Yeah.
It's actually cheaper to get it here.
Yeah, I bought mine for like almost 16,000. I
see? So anyway, with that out of the way, let's get to the
unboxing.
So you have your typical tissue paper.
Okay.
The specialty tissue paper.
Okay. It's killing me. Just rip it off.
It's just there for suspense.
Okay.
So let's get to the shoes. I'll pop this open, and there you have it. Boom! I don't know if the lights get it properly, but this is the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Hyperspace. Maybe what we'll do is we'll have Colin take a look at it first.
Okay, it's very clean. Honestly, it's super clean. It reminds me of the Static. You have the Static with you, right?
Yeah, here.
Okay, there we go.
This is the Static reflective.
But I think the upper has a little. The white is a little bit different from the one that's Static. I think this one is a little bit more white. This has a little bit of green.
This is clean white. I think it's a bit minty green.
A bit minty green, yeah. So it's kind of weird. It's like I'm gonna check it out without the light. Yeah, it does have this like minty green feel to it, but it does have this nice accent of yellow. I don't know if I like it yet.
So do you see yourself copying it? Would you line up for it? Would you join a raffle for it?
Honestly,
would you exert effort for it? Would you profess your undying love for it?
Easy. Honestly, of the 3 ones, this wasn't what I really wanted to get.
Boo!
I really wanted the clay one. No, sorry, not the clay one. The True Form.
True Form. Because it's like the beluga
it's like
upgraded version
with the orange. I mean, honestly, orange for me, I feel, and I'm claiming this, is the color of the year. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of orange accented colors coming out, and I don't know. I'm on the verge of maybe not.
Maybe not. Leaning towards maybe not.
Leaning towards. Okay. It depends. If I actually win, then maybe I will.
Hype beast.
I have very poor EQ, guys.
Okay, so on my end of the spectrum, I think 3 things to consider. Okay. Number 1, it is Asia exclusive.
Okay, there's that.
So if you do get the chance to be able to buy this here in the Philippines, and if you do travel a lot, when you go to a different country, chances are there are only a few of you who will be rocking this, especially if you go to the US or Europe.
Yes.
So it's really all about context, and being able to wear something exclusive in a country that you're in that doesn't offer that particular colorway.
That's true.
So that's a big plus in my opinion. Number 2, I really like the accent. I don't know if it's yellow or if it's brown.
It's like a tan, I guess.
It's like a tan color. So I love that brown color, that streak across the side of the sneaker, as well as that same brown color that you guys have here with the outsole. So that one I definitely love. The only thing I really am not digging, to be honest, is the color of the upper. The mint green. The mint green is a bit... how do I say this? It kind of throws me off.
It's a little bit off-putting.
Yeah, but I can imagine if you wear like, your typical sneaker pants and you wear like a plain white shirt or something, this will pop.
Honestly, if they made it like pure white, I think that would work well. I'm not entirely sure. I may be wrong.
I disagree.
Really?
I disagree. I don't like the cream white Yeezys at all.
Okay.
Because they just get dirty so fast.
But so is this.
No, this one is not all white. This is mint green.
Fine. Okay, fine. It's mint green.
So yeah, if you ask me if I get the chance to be able to cop, then why not, right?
But honestly, if you've never had a 350 before and this is the first time you're getting, yes, get it.
Yeah.
Because it's amazing on feet. Like, you're giving your feet the blessing.
The Kanye blessing.
The Kanye blessing.
Sunday
it
service.
Serves, right? So
with the Boost.
With the Boost.
Right?
I mean, honestly, the Boost midsole of the 350 is, for me, by far the best Boost experience I've ever had.
I disagree. Ultra Boost 19 by far is the most comfortable Boost there is.
I've never tried that variant yet, so
I'd go for the EQT. In terms of comfort, it'd be the EQT, and then it would be the Boost 19, and then it would probably be this one.
This one.
If I were to...
This one versus the 700.
In terms of comfort? Easily this one.
Easily this one.
The 700 is not as comfortable as a lot of people call. Well, at least in my opinion.
Yeah. No, because
it's kind of a heavy
it's still a full Boost, right? But yeah, you don't really feel that Boost. For me, I don't really feel the Boost as much as I do with this
the 350 Boost V2 Hyperspace.
It's like marshmallow on your feet.
Yeah, well, there's that. Now, of course, before we end, so let's say you're able to cop it. Here's another reason, because I said 3.
Yeah.
So the second was the color.
Yeah.
The third one for me is, let's say you want what are the other two? The clay
and
or the true form. There are a lot of collectors or Yeezy collectors outside the country who probably were able to cop either the clay or the true forms, and instead of paying a ridiculous amount of money for resale for those two,
you can
just buy this one for retail here in the Philippines, which is cheaper, and then trade it.
That's true.
Right? There's nothing wrong with that. So buy it for retail here, trade it to somebody abroad who probably got the true form or the clay, and you're good. You don't have to necessarily shell out a ridiculous amount of money for the other two colorways.
That's true.
So I think that's one of, again, that's the third big reason why I think it's still worthy of copying. And that it ties into the exclusive thing, right? That is only available in Asia. So that for me is the third reason why I think this should be worth copying. So guys, we will be doing an on-feet review of the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Hyperspace. Now, obviously not with this shoe because it doesn't fit me. It doesn't fit him. So we will be trying to get a pair when it officially drops this weekend. I think March 16. March 16. So we will be trying to cop a pair, and then we'll probably do like an on-feet review of this one during the weekend. So please do watch out for that one if you guys haven't seen it yet. And obviously you haven't seen it yet because we've yet to do it.
That's true.
So, apart from that, I'll also do like a tutorial. Did you see the new COS lacing system?
No,
there's a new way to tie up a Yeezy. It's like a COS way. So you take you take away the laces. So what you can do is you make like 2 X's here or 4 X's.
Oh, okay, that's
so
cute.
I'll do a tutorial on that using the Hyperspace that I'm able to pick up, or if ever I'm able to pick one up during the weekend.
All right.
So any last words for the Hyperspace?
Get it.
From the staunch, no, I don't like it. I like
get it. No,
no,
because you convinced me.
I was able to
convince me.
I'm that good of a salesman.
Yeah.
So.
Yes.
So anyway, guys, that's it for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Yes.
Thank you to Soul Academy for allowing us to do the early unboxing. Guys, if ever you are in the market for a sneaker, please do support the stores that support this vlog.
That's
right.
True.
Because they allow us to be able to do early content like this one. Without their partnership, this video wouldn't be possible. The link down below is to the Instagram account of Soul Academy. Give them a follow. So that's it for now. Peace.
God bless.
What's up? Boom.